Hey 360 electricians, welcome back to the channel. In this video, some of my favorite things for the service van. Let's go. Hey, so if you've been thinking about getting a service van, you know for the channel, I picked up this Ford Transit 148 wheelbase medium roof just so I can help you level up in your business and in your career as an electrician. These are some of the things that I've been dreaming about for a long time. And you know what? Now I'm able to do it. And so I wanted to bring it to you on video so that you can share the experience with me. If you get something out of these videos, can you do me a big favor? All this stuff takes a lot of time and effort. All I ask for you to do is hit that little subscribe button, smash that like, and for you, not for me, you want to head to my website, www.the360electrician.com. Sign up for our mailing list. Our email list is not only for electrical contractors to level up $50,000 service vans, it's also practical tips and tricks for electricians just like you, so you can make more money, up your game, make sure you got job security at the company you are, and then guess what? When you're ready to jump ship and become a contractor yourself, you've already got a relationship with me. You can always take coaching or my marketing courses or paperwork courses by going to the website. All right, so what I want to do today is just a haul on some of the most important things that I wanted to get into this van. Now, you're going to see a video on these two beautiful items here. It is the version 1 and version 2 of Ranger Design's Parts Keeper. Now, you can identify Ranger Design by their yellow stripes. It's an amazing company. They have amazing products for the 23rd century and beyond. I stopped using those other companies in my other vehicles. I'm not doing it the same way I did it for the past 50 years. That's how I teach you marketing, coaching, pricing, everything. So let's see what we got for the van. First thing I want to start though with is this bag right here. By the way, if you see anything you like, links are going to be down below. It is our Amazon affiliate link. We make a wee little bit of money on that. Forget that. It's just to bring it to you so you know exactly the same products I'm reviewing here are the same products you can order over there. Let's start with one of the biggest things before you get a service van, and that's all about customer service. I know what's in this bag, and I'm going to rip it and show it to you. Now, you know I've got some tech videos. If you don't, check out the link here. I think it's actually over here on Tech 101 for electrical contractors. What we got here is from Anker, and this, my friends, is a huge selling tool. And you're saying, Jeff, what is it? I want to know. It is Anker's USB C receptacle. Now, this is nothing new. You're going to say, Jeff, I've seen this a million times before, but the Anker gives you one of the best options on charging at 60 watts for your smartphones. Why do I want you guys to pick that up? Click that link below. I bought this on Prime Day, and I think I only paid about $20 each. This is your upsell selling tool. When you're about to sell a job, you let the customer know, hey, Mr. Customer, by the way, I'm going to go ahead and throw in 2 of these outlets next to the nightstands for you and your wife. Or if you're doing a kitchen remodel, how many times do you have all those plugs and chargers just gobbed up on the countertop? Your wife goes crazy. Your significant other goes crazy. You want to take all that stuff off. This is the way to do it. You don't have to have those big plug-in transformers anymore. Big selling tool. All right, now my other big tip is, let's just say you have a loose GFI in the van, right? You used 1 out of the 3 in the contractor pack box because that's how I buy them. It's the cheapest way to go. What are you going to do with that single GFI? If I go ahead and throw it into my bin, about 1 day later, that thing's going to be scratched up. It's going to be worthless. My next tip for you, links below, are your mini Ziploc bags. This one happens to be a 4-inch by 6-inch. What do you do with it? You got your 6-inch 4x6 bag. It's a mini Ziploc. You take your device individually, you throw them in the bag, you zip it up, and guess what? Now it can roll around all day long in that bin and it's not going to get scratched. That's the way you save on attrition. Now, in the Ranger system that we're going to put on this side is my finish work section. And I'm going to show you guys how I inventory and how I bin all my materials and parts so that not only me, but most importantly, my employees, my guys, know exactly where everything is. They know how many they have on the van, and it's super easy for me to restock. All right? So make sure you get these baggies for your individual loose devices. Now, if you're doing a big remodel job, what do? You get the whole box and you throw it on the bin. That's okay, because you know you're going to probably install a whole box in 1 day. But if that box has 2 or 3 pieces left, you get the baggies, you throw them in. They come in 2 sizes that I recommend you get. For the bigger devices like dimmers and GFIs, get the 4-inch by 6-inch, links down below. And for your smaller receptacles and switches, your Decoras, you want to get the 3x5, and let's see what that looks like. And there you go. The 3x5 fits a lot better for a smaller device. Same exact thing. We pull out a bin. Same exact thing. You got your bins from Ranger Design, and what you're gonna do is when you pile these up and stack them up, they're gonna be individually wrapped, and you can jump around all day long. You're not gonna get a single scratch on them, saving you tons of money when you add it up till the end of the year. All right, to wrap it all up, I've been waiting over a week to open this thing to get some floor mats into the van. Now, Ford, when you buy a van like this, gives you Ford credit and you can use it towards anything. I was gonna use it towards floor mats, but they said they're over 3 months to 6 months out on back order for floor mats. So I searched, links down below, Amazon, and of course, I got the Husky liners. I like the Husky the best because of the pattern that it had, almost like a weather guard. Weather guard doesn't even have it for the Transit. So anyway, let's open this quick thing. I'll show it to you, and then you'll see it again on the cab tech video that we're gonna do later on. Another thing I really liked about this liner compared to the Ford one is it's one piece. It's one piece that goes over the hump down the center. The Ford one is in 2 pieces, and I just don't like that. But look at that, beautifully made, looks just like the weather guard, and that is going inside the cab. All right, I got another tip on technology for you. Now, the van that I bought, if you can see all the way there, I did not spend the extra $2,500 for the navigation system in the van. I thought $2,500, whenever you add that kind of stuff, is a little too high. Now, I will admit, it does come with the 360 cameras, and on a cargo van, that's great. But I already know that me, myself, and my guys, and what I recommend you do, is pretty much having an onboard computer for less than half that price. The Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. It is connected to T-Mobile, and this is going to be my navigation and whole computer scheduling, invoicing system in the van. Let's take a quick second and break. 2 things I'd ask you to do. Number 1, click the link down below, go to Ranger Design, and why don't you configure your dream van, your dream racking system, so that when we talk about these videos, you're on base and we're talking about the same thing. That's how we're going to level up. Join that mailing list down below at the website. Go to the Ranger link, use the 3D configurator, and upfit your dream van. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like, join the channel. $2.99, $5.99. We get together live on a meetup and talk all things electrical. We will see you on the next one.